Brandon and Brody, go. Gordo, go. John Navarro, go. Josh and Tina, go. And Chad Graham, go. So these guys are looking for Matt TQ from the last race. That was 11:5:23. We got some fast locals in this one, and we'll see what they can do. Let everyone come by for lap number 1 before we start being out in the right order. But this is race 4 on the track, which means race 5 is coming up next. That is the 4-wheel drive short course class. Raz Barlow, Jim Woodard, Darren Recke, and Jay Hawkins coming up next. 4-wheel drive short course. Start making your way to the stand, please. After 1 lap is Brandon Austin out front, Gordo second, Joel Navarro third, Brandon Brody fourth, Chad Graham fifth, and Josh Satina in the 6th spot. Brody jumping up to the lead right there with a 29.426. And now Navarro in the top spot on an 11-lap run. Joel Navarro in the brand new Hobby Pro USA PRS1 that you'll find in the January issue of our Super Action magazine out front right now in race number 4. After 2 laps, Navarro, then Brody and Santina the top 3, Gordo 4th, Austin 5th, and Graham 6th. Navarro with a 27.2 fast lap so far. Navarro with a rough lap, 30.6, dropping down to a 10.5 lap pace. Matt TQ was 11.523. 2:05 down, 2:55 left to go. Navarro, Brody, Gordo the top 3, Satina 4th, Austin 5th, Graham 6th. 2:15 down, 2:45 left to go. 4-wheel drive short course, all 4 of you should be waiting at the stairs. And looks like you are. Actually, all 5 of you, we got a late sign up. Joe Larson, are you the one that just signed up? Okay. 2:45 down, 2:15 left to go. Navarro back on a TQ run, 11.523. I'll stop saying his name so it doesn't crash his brains out. Brandon Brody running second, Josh Satina third. Gordo and Brandon Austin battle for 4th and 5th. Chad Graham in 6th position. 3:05 down, 1:55 left to go. Our leader coming by the stripe right here, 28.5. Picking it up the pace now, 11.521 as he goes tabletop. Comes up way short on the triple. And that's going to cost him flipping over into the berm right there. That car will not make a triple for 5 whole laps. I know, I drove it. 3:30 down, 1:30 left to go. 10-second lead for Navarro over to Brody. Last time by the line, but that's going to shorten up after that wreck. Let's see what this lap was. A 30.5. Oh, he's 0.2 of a second off of the TQ run now. Navarro on 11.523.5. And he wisely goes for the double single coming on the back straightaway. That's a little bit slower than tripling, but a heck of a lot faster than crashing. 4 minutes down again. 1 minute left to go, says Doug Hay. We've got less than 1 minute left to go here in race number 4, and Joel Navarro with a 12.5-second lead on Brandon Brody. Brody and Satina just 1.8 seconds apart, and that is the closer battle on the track right now for the 2nd spot. After this race, I need all the race number 4 drivers back to the track and marshal right away. Please don't take your cars back and hang out. And we saw that you guys had problems getting turn marshals for that last race, so please pay it forward. 20 seconds left to go. Navarro coming by right there with a 30.9. He is 1/10 of a second off the TQ run right now, so Navarro needs to finish up strong here on the final lap. Getting a little loose coming up to the front, or back straightaway, excuse me, so we'll see how that shakes out with less than 5 on the master clock. Everyone keep going until it's all done. No real battles on the track, everyone nice and spread out. Navarro with a 28.8, good lap for him. He's got about a half second on TQ right now. Jim Brody is the first car down in Gordo. Jim Brody and Gordo go ahead and pull out of the way. There are cars behind you still racing. Everyone else keep going. Brandon Austin is done. Jim Brody, Austin, and Gordo are all done. Everyone else keep going. Waiting on Navarro, Satina, and Graham. Navarro is done 11.5, 21.3 for the win.